Hey crew, today's video will be a no-bake classic cheesecake served with a banana foster. So it's gonna be New York meets New Orleans. So here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have butter, bananas, cinnamon, banana extract, no-bake classic cheesecake, rum, brown sugar, and we have our pie crust here. If you're new to the channel, you've seen this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you be notified when I upload a video. Like and comment on the video once you finish watching. Let's get into this no-bake cheesecake banana foster video. Alright, Chris, so all you got to do is follow the directions on the box. So we have our cream cheese mix right here. And it calls for 1.5 cups of cold milk. And we're not going to use that crust because I don't have a pan to put the crust in, so I'm just going to go with a pre-made crust already. And once again, this is New York meeting New Orleans for our no-bake cream cheese banana foster. So you're simply just going to pour your packet in your bowl. Then we have 1.5 cups of milk. And the box say, beat it on low for 30 seconds. Then medium speed for 3 minutes until it thickens. Alright, so we have our 9-inch pie crust right here. We're just going to simply open it and pour our filling in there and put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour and allow it to chill. Then once it's ready, we'll start on our banana foster. Alright, so we're just going to put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. And this is our no-bake cheesecake. So once it's ready, I'll bring y'all back and we'll get started on the banana foster. So we're going to make our banana foster for our no-bake cheesecake. And we're going to go in 1/4 cup of butter. We're going to go in 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. One cup of brown sugar. Banana extract.
Say that you will change the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you wear your hair. Change the way you dress, the way you kiss, everything, 'cause you are
So 1/4 teaspoons of banana extract. We have our bananas here. We have 1/4 cup of dark rum. So instead of lighting it on fire, we're just gonna allow the alcohol content to cook out. So we should be good to go. Alright, so we have our no-bake cheesecake right here. So here's our no-bake cheesecake with banana foster and vanilla ice cream. This is New Orleans meeting New York. Alright, crew, so I'm gonna give it a taste for y'all, and I know this is gonna be good, real good, because who doesn't love banana foster? So we're gonna get a little bit of banana and ice cream. Y'all look at that. Y'all have the first bite. Ooh-wee. I'm speechless, y'all.
He lying, y'all. He lying.
But hey, Queen can tell y'all how it tastes. But when I tell y'all the banana foster with the rum and the banana and the cheesecake and the ice cream, it just seemed like everything go together. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up and comment on this video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all already know the saying, pops out. Cool it is.